Hello, I'm Chuck Phillips, South Alabama Home Inspections, and I figured I'd do this little experiment here because I was curious to see, now that I've got this plug out of the roof, exactly what the temperatures are on both sides of it. And so this was a good example to use. This came from the top of my roof a few months ago when I installed this solar attic fan, which has turned out to be a good investment. This thing really works well. It pulls a lot of air, and it also has a electrical backup as well, so it'll still run when the sun's down or if the attic temperature stays above 80 degrees. And so anyway, out of curiosity, let's just see how hot these shingles are. So I got a thermal thermometer here, or a laser thermometer. So looking at 169 degrees at the surface temperature of this. So let's shoot the back of it. Looking at 138 degrees on the back, so it's getting, right about 30 degrees of thermal transfer from these shingles down through this roof decking. So this is basically a 5/4 decking, or it's a little bit thicker than 1/2 inch. It's also tongue and groove, but it also has a water ice shield underneath as well. So there's really not much to stop the thermal bridging of this into the roof decking. So that's one of the reasons why it's a good idea to put a wireless temperature humidity monitor in your attic, so you can see what the temperatures are up there and whether or not you might need to add more ventilation. And I will be adding more to this, even though I've already got quite a bit of it going on already. I got this fan there, which is there to pull the air up from these lower ridge soffit vents, and also have another fan on the other side too. But I will be adding, like I say, some more of these to the roof system whenever it gets cooler, probably in the fall. Well, I hope this has been somewhat informative to you guys, and thanks for taking the time to watch this one too.